Welcome my friend, my name is Johnnysamoa, and on this channel my friend I teach you how I do magic. My friend, magic is all about using our senses. If you watch my last video, you make the card disappear. Whoa! This is Johnnysamoa. I'm gonna share to you this magic trick I just created. That is right. It's still fresh in my head, so I want your opinion on it. It goes like this. The magician will spread the cards in front of the spectator and say, "Yo, how you doing? Select a card from anywhere you like." They take that card there. I don't know, you don't know, now you know. The magician will take your card and put it in the middle and square the cards and cut them onto the table. He will then mix the card, making sure your card is definitely gone. He'll mix some more to confuse you, making sure your card is completely gone. Now the magician will use his spring power to locate your card. I got it. I'm going to spread the cards from left to right, my friend. Now if you think this card is over your card, I want you to say stop. My friend, is it a good magic or not? I'm working on a tutorial because the next video I'm going to upload is the tutorial for this magic trick. But if you want to get an idea how this trick is done, here's the video here. The moves is there, my friend. That's the move. Coming soon. See you soon.